Good morning, dear students, and welcome to Polytechnic first year, first sem mathematics. My name is B. Ramchander. My qualification is MSc Mathematics, and I am allotted to you, that is, as a maths lecturer. So, today we will take introduction class. So I will tell you about mine, and later I will explain what is the Polytechnic and what is the syllabus, how the examination pattern, and what are the marks, how many exams will conduct during the semester or year, and what is the curriculum, what is the plan, how to study, which chapters, how the weightage, how the question paper pattern, what is attendance. So these are we will cover, or we will discuss, or we will know here in this class. So first, I am happy to see you all, because this education, we say diploma education here, 3 years course, this is useful for your future. That is means it is useful for job, to do a job. Here you can learn some related skills, job related skills, job related knowledge. Not only academic, you have here practical knowledge also. So here every branch generally have or contains mathematics subject. Here we say this is a engineering mathematics, because this mathematics formulas or problems or concepts are useful to the engineering sectors or engineering subjects. It is the basic for BTech also, we can say. To continue or to do BTech, you have to first learn the basic, that is diploma. Then you can get on, or you will continue diploma easy. And this you know already, this is a 3 years course. So in first year mostly we have general subjects. General means academic subjects, and engineering subjects will comes in second year or in second sem, like. So mainly first year maximum subjects related to the school subjects. In earlier you studied 10th, so in 10th we have maths, physics, chemistry, English. So here also we have that subjects, and Not only that, we have another one or two subjects extra, a drawing subject. So this is not you learnt at 10th class or at your school, but here you will know what is drawing. Drawing means we will not draw our pictures. Drawing means the basic concepts, how to draw uh, different shapes, different angles, different structures, different views. So these are all we will draw by using drafter on the chart or paper sheet. So here you will learn what are the basic things to draw or to sketch any shape or any view, what are the parameters, what are the measurements, what are the units, how to convert it into bigger to small or a side view or front view, like we will discuss and learn and we will draw. This is a new subject and very interesting also. Different branches contains different concepts or topics, not the same for everyone. Mostly first year general subjects will same for all, but further in second year or third year they may change according to your branch. What is the branch or what is the core subject related to you, that concepts, that subject is given to you. Generally first year will common to all maximum. So in first year you have also practicals for some subjects, for physics and chemistry and other related to your branch. And drawing have also you have to practice, and there also like a you have to draw for the given work, like it is also a small lab, you think, practical lab, because we are drawing means we are doing. Okay, now come to our subjects. We have in generally here in mathematics we can say this is a engineering mathematics, and this mathematics we have first sem, second sem, third sem, fourth sem. First, second sem are in the first year. That means a year divided into a two sems, first sem and second sem, and each sem contains 6 months. In these 6 months we have some general holidays, Sundays, some festivals. Apart from this, the remaining working days are nearly 75 we can expect, or 80 or 90 maximum. So in this period, in this duration, we have the classes, and our maths period is every day with 45 minutes. In previous years, that is the period was 50 minutes, but in curriculum 21, curriculum means every time, that means every for 5 years, every 5 years the board will updates or changes or modifications in the syllabus or concepts or topics according to the present situations, conditions, a present working style or present technical changes. So based on the present or future, the syllabus will be changes and modifies. So every 5 years the syllabus pattern or question paper pattern or concepts whatever needful they will change and they will includes in the form of curriculum. So curriculum is the plan and subject and topics. This is every 5 years it is a new curriculum. Now the present we say the curriculum is 21 C21 in short way. That means in 2021 they framed a new curriculum. So for previous and new there are some changes in the topics, in the examination pattern, and some rules are framed. That means like attendance we can see, and examination hours, and like this subject period wise we can say the time duration. So like little things for useful to the students and develop to the students, these actions are taken through curriculum. So now we are in C21 curriculum and this is for up to 5 years. In special cases, if board thinks, board means department, our board name or department name we can say SBT in the short form. The full form is State Board of Technical Education and Training. So in sometimes a board may changes in between also according to the conditions. Changes is compulsorily needed. They will change in between also, not only for 5 years. Generally it is for 5 years. Every 5 years curriculum will be changes, and based on that curriculum we will follow what are the topics, what are the chapters. Like that we can proceed, or we will go through that instructions what are given by the board. So here we can say our subject is engineering mathematics, and first semper we say 1. So this is our math class is every day we have to attend the class, and class will runs every day. And in the class we have 45 minutes. In this 45 minutes, first we will discuss about the previous class, what we learned, what we did the problems, and what are the doubts we have. And then we will learn the present lesson or chapter or topic, whatever it may be. And at the end we will give the homework and we will take the attendance. And at the beginning when you come to the college you have to give your attendance on biometric device. So here we have provided in each branch and at college entrance also. So by entering your ID and put your finger on the particular place, and follow the instructions, and it will be takes within 20 to 30 seconds, sometimes 45 seconds. If it fails, you can try again and again. Sometimes due to network issues or server issues, it may not count or it may not successful. So you can try once again, twice or thrice. Then after completion or after successful attendance marked, then you can enter the class and sit in the your classrooms which are branch wise you have. So, and after that, in every period we will take your attendance again in the register or in the log books or on the paper, whatever, wherever we need, and we noted your attendance. So attendance must be given a top priority, because without attendance you cannot learn and you cannot write and you cannot go further sems or further promoted further classes. I mean, after first sem you have to attend second sem, like this. So, and attendance must be more than 75%. If it is less than, you have to be pay some penalty and produce the doctor or medical certificate, and some proofs you have to submit, and that is up to 65%, in between 65 to 70, and less than 65% you are not allowed to write the examinations. So this is very important, and without attendance you cannot learn and you cannot write. So the basic thing is you have to present in the class and listen the classes, and then only you can write the exams. So be careful and don't think we are coming to college means we are grown bigger and we are not kids, so we will do whatever we think. So don't do like that. Your knowledge, your effort should be towards the learning, not the entertainment, not other things and other activities. Just when you are entering into the college or you are coming to the college means for knowledge, and knowledge will be flows when you are in discipline. So sit and listen, and if you have any doubts you can ask and clarify and move on. So discipline should be important, and it is a basic thing. Next, come to here, we will see Polytechnic means what. First, you have to know poly means what. Poly means so many. Mono means single. Poly means more than one. That is two or three or four, like that. And technique means learning new views. So, learning new ways. Learning new ways, not views. Ways. WAYS, ways. Learning new ways. Learning new ways means there may be different methods. So, to do the some works, we have to select required or whatever useful methods. what are the easy methods we will select and we will do, or we will learn and we will do. If we don't know, we will learn. So to understand a technique, I will give you one example. You think now you are in a first class or second class student in a school, and teacher said to add 1 and 2. In the process of learning additions, first we draw the two lines, like or first we need one line for one number, and next another three, not three, two lines. Here the printing is wrongly spelled in the PowerPoint presentation. That is one line, for we draw one line, and two lines means we will draw two lines, and then we put together the counting lines, we get three. So one line and two line we put together, we get three. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. This is the process how we learned at beginning. Now let us see another addition, that is 51 and 52. And if we follow the same method which we did for 1 and 2, for 1 and 2 we did one line and two lines, and we added that, we get 3. But here the number is very big, 51 and 52. To draw 51 and 52 lines, it takes lengthy of time, because drawing 51 lines and 52 lines is a big work. And sometimes there is a space issue also. So here we follow the small technique that you already know. Here first we add ones places of 51 and 52, that is 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then we took tens places of 51 and 52, that is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Then we write 51 under 52 and we put 3 at ones place and 10 at besides 3. So without making 103 lines, we get 103 by simple technique. So now I think you got the concept of technique. Here, to reduce the work, we learned or we taken one technique. So here we have to understand that technique means not only this addition. There are so many techniques, there are so many methods, there are so many processes, there are so many ideas to do our work or to do our useful or needful works. We can apply the techniques. But if we don't know the techniques, we will lose the time and sometimes manpower, sometimes money. So if we know, we will get the benefit. Next, I am related to math subject, so that's why I given a mathematical example. There are so many techniques you will be learn in this Polytechnic, and of course you learn new subjects or things or topics also. Now I will tell you about the subject, book and exam pattern. Subject name Engineering Mathematics 1. Author name MVSSN Prasad. There are so many authors, there are so many books. Generally or mainly we observe or we have in the shops, that is that is mainly two publishers, Radiant Publisher and Falcon Publisher. So here both are same according to the board curriculum, but there is a little bit difference at the level of problems. Suppose in the Radiant we have 10 problems in exercise, and whereas in Falcon Publisher it may 9. So there is a 1 or 2 difference, and but the formulas and concepts are same, so we need not worry about the book. Anyhow, to uniform or to maintain easy, and in the process we have one book, or we will taking one book, that is Radiant Publishers book, and author name MVSSN Prasad. And don't think, if you have any doubt from another books, that is also we will discuss and we will clarify your doubts, and we will do the problems. If you have any doubts or any required steps you needed to solve, or any formulas in other books, also we will clear or we will say, so don't bother about that. And 99% syllabus and concepts are same, just 1-2 problems only changes. So it is better as early as you buy the textbook, it is very convenient to us. In the process of homework, or if I tell example problems, or if I write any question from the textbook, you can easily know where you have which chapter, how many problems, how many we are did, and how many we have to do at home. Like this, it is very convenient to also buy the textbook as early as possible. It is available at in book stall. So just go nearby your bookstalls and ask them, and tell them if they not have, they will call to the concerned publishers, and they will have, or they will brought the books, or they will take in the books through courier. So from the bookstore you can buy. So this is your first work. And bring the textbook with notebook every day. All of you bring the books as early as possible. Without book, I will not allow you to my class. In our maths subject, we have 6 units. Not only math, physics, chemistry, and other subjects also. Mostly we have 6 units or 6 chapters. So, and we have 4 exams in the semester for 100 marks. First exam, that means 100 marks divided into 4 categories, or 4, we can say, parts. So first part or first exam, we call it is a mid one, that is for 20 marks. On first and second units we have to write the exam. So after first unit and second unit completed or completion, you have to write the mid one exam for 20 marks. So it is very useful to you, because after learning all the chapters, the exam if you write, there may be a chance to forget the topic or subject, or there may be a little bit difficult to read all chapters and all the topics at the end. So it is a big work. For student convenient and easy scoring, we have mid one, and before mid one we will conduct slip test also. So slip tests are based on each unit. So if you wrote slip test, then you are easily face the mid one exam. That means you can write easily, and in the slip test, if you have any doubt, you can ask and clear your doubts, so that in mid one you will get 20 out of 20. In the same way, the second exam, that is we say mid 2, that is after third and fourth units. If you completed third and fourth units, then you can write, you have to write the exam, and before mid 2 we will conduct same slip tests on unit third and fourth, and then mid 2 exams for 20 marks. So in mid 1 we have 20, mid 2 20. So up to now we have 40 marks. And there is one internal marks. Internal marks means based on your performance, attendance, and sometimes seminars will be conducted on the topic, on the subject, and based on slip test, based on your discipline, the 20 marks will be given. So mid 1 20, mid 2 20, internals 20. So up to here we have 60 marks, and the remaining units also we have, that is 5th and 6th. So at the end, the mostly priority is given 5th and 6th units, and remaining units we already covered in mid 1 mid 2. So the percentage of marks will be given less for first 4 units in the end exam, and the maximum marks will be covered or comes from the 5th and 6th units majorly. So in the end exam, that is 40 marks paper. Already we 60 covered here, 20 20 20. So end exam is 40 marks. In this 40, majority roles is 5th and 6th units, and minor role is remaining 4 units. So total now we will get 100 marks. So this is the exam style or exam pattern. In the exam, there are 3 types of questions. In mid 1, first type is 1 mark questions. Second type is 3 marks questions. Third type is 5 marks questions. In mid 20 marks, classified as 1 mark questions are 4. So 1 into 4 equals to 4 marks. That means we can say very short questions. Each question carries 1 mark, and 4 questions given or 4 questions comes. So 1 into 4 equals to 4 marks. And the second type, there are short questions. Each question carries 3 marks. And 3 marks questions are, we have 2 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So 3 into 2 equals to 6 marks. And in the short question, we have the A or B choice. That means in a question there are 2 questions with option A or B. You can write either A or B. So that means in each question we have again 2 questions. Same to the long questions also, that is 5 marks questions. And these are also 2 questions. That is, each question contain A or B. Like these 2 questions they will give. So 5 to the 10 marks. And if we add the total 4 plus 6 plus 10, we will get 20 marks. So mid 1 and mid 2, same pattern this. So mid 1 also 20 marks, like mid 1, mid 2 also 20 marks. Questions also, number of questions same, number of marks same. for short, long, and very short. But the syllabus for mid 1, unit 1 and 2, and mid 2, unit 3 and 4. So, the more 40 marks up to unit 4. And these mid 1, mid 2 exams are conducted like end exams. So that means like board exam, which earlier you written 10th class, like that these mid 1, mid 2 and end exams will be conducted. So you must prepare and come to write the exams, and you have to maintain or you have to attend classes regularly. Then only you can write the exams with full of confidence. In mid end exam, 40 marks classified as 1 mark questions are 8, and these are very short questions, so each question carries 1 mark. 1 into 8 equals to 8 marks. The 3 marks questions are 4, and this questions contains 4 marks each. So 3 4s are 12 marks. 5 marks questions are 4. So 5 into 4, 20 marks. So total 8 plus 12 plus 20, that equals to 40 marks. And this end exam mostly covered the 5th and 6th units, and 1 to 4 units will give less priority and less marks. That means maximum marks given from, or maximum questions given from last 2 units. And the model papers are given in textbook. So see the book and read the first chapter. The first chapter name is Logarithms. Observe the examples and tell me what you had understand in next class. So in the textbook, the back side, if you observe, you see the model papers, previous model papers and previous question papers also. And in the first chapter, if you know or if you understood the example problems, based on examples you can do the exercise problems. If possible, try to solve the exercise problems. In next class, I will explain about first chapter logarithms. Have a nice day. And thank you. So tomorrow we will discuss logarithms and we will learn the logarithms problems and the concept and example problems, exercise problems. We will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.